Dear students, let's start our vocabulary. Today our vocabulary words will be from 151 to 165.
First word is qualm, shock. An uneasy feeling or pang of conscience as to conduct or compunction. Sentence is, he has no qualm on his wife. Synonyms are misgiving, queasiness, scruple, squeamishness. Antonyms are calm, calmness, certainty, collectedness, ease, happiness, peace, sureness, trust. Next word is quantitative, मिकदारी, मिकदार से मुतालिक. That is or may be estimated by quantity of or relating to the describing or measuring of quantity. Sentences, facts proven after a quantitative research were shocking. Synonyms are decimal, denary, duodecimal, numeric, numerical, quantifiable, three-figure. Antonyms are imperceptible, insignificant, undeterminable, unmeasurable. Next word is quarrel, jhagda. Meanings are an angry dispute or altercation. A disagreement marked by a temporary or permanent break in friendly relations. Sentence is, their quarrel led to family breakup. Synonyms are altercate, dispute, dust up, row, ruin, run in, scrap. Words, wrangle. Antonyms are concurrence, harmony, order, peace, quiet, approval, calmness, praise. Next word is quench, प्यास बुझाना. Meanings are to slake, satisfy or allay thirst, desires, passion, etc. Sentence is, her father runs a family store and sells the girl's goods. Synonyms are allay, assuage, extinguish, quell, slake, squelch. Antonyms are bear, begin, build, construct, create, fix, give birth, help. Next word is query, istifsar, पूछ-गिछ. Meanings are to question or an inquiry. Sentence is, Sulpaz also does his homework and hands out a query sheet with questions. Synonyms are inquiry, interrogation, question. Antonyms are answer, reply, be certain, believe, praise, trust. Next word is queue, qatar, line. Meanings are a file or line, especially of people waiting their turn. Sentences, a few years ago, I was standing in a queue behind two men and eavesdropping on their conversation. Synonyms are concatenation, echelon, file, line, order, progression, rank, row, series, string, succession. Antonyms are jumbled, scattered, at sixes and sevens. Next word is quirk, निराला. ये एक खास किस्म की मूवमेंट को भी quirk कहते हैं. A peculiarity of action, behavior or personality, mannerism. He is full of strange quirks. Crotchet, oddity, queerness, quirkiness. Antonyms are normality, usualness, inability. Next word is quiver, Turkish, जिसमें तीर डाले जाते थे, एक कंटेनर. Meanings are to shake with a slight but rapid motion, vibrate tremulously, tremble. Sentences, and the third arrow which packs the greatest punch may never be pulled from the quiver. Synonyms are eat, chill, flicker, flitter, flutter, frisson, palpitate, palpitation, pulsate, quick, quack, quivering, shakiness, shaking, shiver, shudder, thrill, tingle, trembling, vibration, waver. Antonyms are dullness, quiet, stillness. Quizzical, mazahiya, pareshan kun, odd, queer or comical. A quizzical expression on her face proves that she is confused. Synonyms are mocking, perplexed, playful, questioning, teasing. Antonyms are certain, understanding. Next word is quotation. Quotation, inverted commas, जो speech signs भी हैं. Meanings are something that is quoted, a passage quoted from a book, speech, etc. Sentence is the famous quotation, work, work, and more work, explains Archive's vision. Synonyms are acknowledgement, citation, credit, mention, quote, reference. Antonyms are whole, refusal. Next word is rituals, rasumat, an established or prescribed procedure for a religious or other rite. Sentence is rite and rituals of every religion are different. Synonyms are ceremony, rite, ceremonial, observance. Antonyms are different, neglect, disagreement, discord. Next word is reinforce, कुमक, मदद के लिए पहुंचना, मजबूती के लिए पहुंचना, बैकअप करना. To strengthen with some aided piece, support or material. Sentence says no precautions have been taken to reinforce the ceiling, which could collapse onto the statues. Synonyms are strengthen, fortify, bolster up, shore up, buttress, prop up, underpin, brace, stiffen, toughen, support, hold up. Antonyms are hurt, lessen, let down, play down, prevent, reduce, undermine, weaken. Next word is reprimanded, डांटना, सर्जनिश करना. A swear, reproof or rebuke, especially a formal one by a person in authority. Sentence is the naughty child was severely reprimanded by his father, but of no use. Synonyms are rebuke, admonish, chastise, chide, upbraid, reprove, reproach, scold, demonstrate, remonstrate with, berate, take to task, pull up, castigate, lambast. Antonyms are commend, compliment, flatter, laud, praise, exonerate, forgive. Next word is riot, fasad, hangama. Meanings are a noisy, violent public disorder caused by a group or crowd of persons, as by a crowd protesting against another group, a government policy, etc. in the streets. Sentence is they made one last charge for the airport, and when the riot police blocked them, again a melee ensued. यहाँ मिली का मतलब भी लड़ाई झगड़ा होता है. Synonyms are uproar, rampage, furor, tumult, commotion, upheaval, disturbance, street fight, melee, row, scuffle, fracas. Fracas का मतलब भी लड़ाई होता है. Fray, affray, brawl, free for all. Antonyms are comply, obey, cooperate, make peace. And last word is reluctantly, हिचकिचाहट. Meanings are unwilling, disinclined. Sentence is the newcomer entered the class reluctantly. Synonyms are with reluctance. Antonyms are willing, bold, confident. I hope you have understood the lecture quite well. So practice at home. Best of luck.